All right, guys, got the engine pulled. Got the wheels back on. Got it on the rollers so I can roll it around. That's why I pulled the motor and tranny out and left the K member in. Wanted to be able to roll the car around, you know. So gonna have to pressure wash the engine and tranny. Get the tranny pulled off. I want to inspect the motor, you know, see what I'm dealing with that, because I'd love to be able to put it back in the car, you know, maybe put some aluminum heads on it, 4-barrel manifold, you know, use the bottom end pretty much. I think I'm gonna try to do this the most budget friendly I can, you know. I just want to get the car driving, you know. All right, pressure wash the motor a little bit. Found this hole in the valley pan cover. Gonna get the tranny disconnected. So it's got oil in it. I'm not too sure what the I think the motor's frozen. All right, guys, got the manifold off. There's some kind of heat blanket in there, like tinfoil, and so, but looks pretty crusty. So I'm gonna keep going on, see what's going on with this thing. Little impact action. Let's see if I missed a bolt. I don't think so. Just stuck on there. Let's get the persuader. Oh, this looks like a persuader. That bell spring works. What am I missing? Just stuck on there. Alright, guys, got the motor pulled apart. As you could tell, it was crusty. There was oil in it. If you pull the dipstick before I pull the motor out of the car, you could see oil in the tip, but I just filled it full of trans fluid. I'm gonna let it sit. I don't have an 1.25 inch socket, so gonna wait. You know, I'm probably gonna just strip it. Just take the bare block to a shop and see what they say. Have it hot tanked and magnafluxed and everything. See if the block is savable. I don't know about the heads. I don't think they're very desirable heads either. I don't think they're the 906s. That's what the front looks like. But who knows? It's like a bad model set in here. Check this out. Look at all this mud. About to get this pan off. Look at that. This is what they don't tell you about having an old car, huh? Look at that, 50-year-old mud. This is crazy. Just look how thick it is. See that? That's crazy. Look at this piece. Anyway, I'm gonna get back at it. All right, guys, just got the pan off. Kind of sludge built up in there. I'm gonna pour oil down the cylinders. Well, you know, the lower cylinders, because I poured oil in the top cylinders. So I'm gonna try to get this thing busted loose. At the moment, I still haven't been able to get it to turn over, but I didn't want to give the crank bolt the beans, you know. Wanted to be gentle with it, but that's the 50-year-old 383 from my car.